In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix GCash developer options cannot open in unknown sources. If GCash won't open or keeps warning you about developer options or unknown sources, this quick Android fix should help. We're going to turn off developer options and then reset the app's temporary files. Don't worry, this won't harm your device. Just follow along carefully. Start by opening the Settings app on your Android phone. We're heading to the section that controls hidden system tools. Scroll down and tap About Phone. On many devices, there's another menu inside called Software Information. Go ahead and open that. Here, look for build number. Now, tap build number 7 times in a row. You'll usually see a countdown like "You're X steps away from being a developer," and you may be asked to confirm with your screen lock. This simply reveals the developer options menu. It doesn't change anything by itself. Once developer options are enabled, go back to the main settings screen and find developer options. Depending on your device brand, it may appear under System Additional Settings or directly in the main list. Open developer options and switch it off at the top. Turning it off is important because some banking and wallet apps, like GCash, can refuse to open if certain developer settings are active. With developer options now disabled, let's refresh the GCash app. Find the GCash app icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Press and hold the icon until a small menu appears, then tap the information or eye icon to open the app info page. Here, look for Storage or Storage and Cache. Open that section, then tap Clear Cache to remove temporary files. Next, tap Clear Data or Clear Storage to reset the app's stored settings and login information. Clearing data will sign you out of GCash, so be prepared to log back in afterward with your usual credentials. After clearing cache and data, return to your home screen and open GCash again. With developer options turned off and the app's data refreshed, GCash should launch normally without the unknown sources or developer-related warning. If you still see any issues, double-check that developer options is truly disabled in settings. Menu names can vary slightly depending on your Android version or device brand, but the flow is the same. Reveal developer options, turn it off, then clear GCash's cache and data. That's it. You've now fixed the problem and should be able to use GCash as usual.